Oh. Got one.
Fucking spiders, dude, every fucking time. As soon as I walked up on that dude.
I got them out of the way now.
I was gonna cream that dude. I was halfway up the fucking thing. He picked his buddy up, probably didn't. Oh no. Off to the right side, right corner over there. Zapped him. Rock and roll, bitch, There are two of them. I got fucked there. I went to roll in, stopped on you.
I know. Well, you were on the left side, and then all of a sudden you came over on my side.
I had to jump over because they would have shot the fuck out of me. Once I realized there were two, I thought it was that dude's partner that you dropped. That's why I was like...
You guys.
You need to drop them niggers. Talk shit on them. Yeah, I'll pick them back up. Third party. There's another team.
Oh, you were showing your Thank you for that. Oh, absolute chat.
Hey, if you guys kill us, you have to revive us. You have to revive us to kill us.
Hey, you know, the fuck is that?
Hey, it's the rule, dude. It's the rule. You gotta revive us, dude. Kill them. You gotta revive me, bro. Kill them. Kill them. You gotta revive me. That's the rule.